chumps and the whole fuck of them, man.
Blood clot.
Cause the man need the town. The man said, alright, but glad it get fucked now, so we can do what we want to do with it now. On national TV.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not sorry for the people them way get destroyed. You're glad the town mash up so you can get it to organize it. Oh, you want to organize it.
So yo, how you feel like the authorities them are respond to so far though?
Oh, in terms of
The MPs, the councillors,
I pay a private
in terms
jet.
of
I pay a private
assistance.
jet. I pay a private jet to see them, brother. You might not go negotiate or them go organize and get the town and the land them and something for themselves. Me not see no Prime Minister, me not see no MP, me not see nobody. I pay a private people, me see a come boy
Okay.
and I assist. Me not see no MP. Nothing to come and say, boy, this a come from the government. Nothing.
Yeah.
I just private people that do them things.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you come on TV, you can talk about you. In terms of not saying that you're glad in about all you say is like, yeah, me really glad the town mash up and also you can get the artist straight. Oh, me want to do the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Because me the glad say me the want to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So me say purposely, we are gonna build a town purposely.
Yeah.
That means that me build something that gonna stab you purposely, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. We need to build a town purposely. You realize the term purposely?
Yeah.
Then they'll come with them bag of big words where half of the people them not understand. Yeah. So what them plan to do right now, you know, them plan. When me see what them plan to do right now, you know, them plan to come, you know. And when they come, I look at my house, you know. I look at my house, you know. And they say me have $30 million.
Yeah.
And they tell me, say, alright, here I go on now. I'll get 25 million a piece of land, you know. And if you don't want that, you just come with the bulldozer tomorrow, come pocket down and you don't get nothing.
Yeah.
Simple as that. That them a come out now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we need a town.
Yeah. You know, Black River is a historic town, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So if you come and you half of your something and you don't want it, we just come with a D9 tomorrow and just drop it like and haul it down.
No, yeah.
I say lift up and you don't get nothing. So you will have to take the 30 or the 20 or where you want to give.
Yeah.
Where him say he want to give you. So if you're building even about $50 million, because make sure they tell us for the people, you know, so it's a land holder, you know. It's not a holder, you know, so if you don't beat tomorrow morning, no matter what you have for it, it's just a holder, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? So if the land value, if what you have on the land with the land value 50 million, and me come and say a 40, me I go give you. If you don't want the 40, me can take the land from you, you know, you don't get nothing, you know.
Yeah.
So you better grab the 40 and go. Yeah, man.
How far way back down your Sunday still?
Yeah, man. I just private people, me don't see no MP, I'll know.
Yeah.
I'll know, me don't see no MP. Neither the opposition nor the present one, me don't see no, I'll know.
I'm in a heart and town, so I'm supposed to see somebody, you see me?
Then and I told me,
Yeah, man.
so me don't see nobody. Me don't see, if you come boy, I me don't see you. At the term that, and if you come boy, me not hear say, boy, you know, say flying green on that road, you know, I want somebody me see as MP come boy. And him no come boy here to assist nobody. Him come boy here for Arthur Street land and a Pernell Charles Jr.
Okay.
So I'm hungry him alone, me see, and me no see him a move, and no assist, them a do feed them business. They don't even give a fuck about the people them. Them a come and they don't even, and I like them come and say, boy, oh you damage her, you know? Yeah. Then there's a Arthur Street, the town them a pro, them a pre. And Pernell Charles alone, me see come here, this son. And if you come down now, here there no, this or no that, you don't give a fuck about them. Nothing about who want dead or who want live or who want blow down. And the Arthur Street and the blueprint with the town we have to deal with right away as they destroy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That me see them come and